I am now sitting in a parking lot trying to decide which of these establishments I believe has the nicest or most clean bathroom. Legitimately, I've been sitting in the car for the past hour. I do not feel like going to the gym. I don't feel like it. But I'm just gonna sit in the car until I do feel like it. AKA, I need to be getting my butt out the car and like, just walking in. But, sitting right here feels mighty nice. Alright, it's over. We did it. Yay! My friends woke me up not too long ago to inform me that we were going to go see Avengers this morning. It's 8:23 a.m. The movie is 3 hours long. Pray for my survival. I think it works a little bit, sort of.
I could be the one who saved you from this hard place. We could be as one and we'll escape. We could run away, we don't gotta stay. I can feel it, it burns inside.
This is what happens when you drink too much damn water. I have to pee so bad. The movie hasn't even started yet. 3 hours, and I got a giant water. Walk faster.
Anything, someone will murder you.
And I don't want to get murdered, therefore I'm not going to spoil the movie for you, but I will tell you that I will own this movie and I will go back and watch all of the other ones. So I'm getting my nose pierced. I am hoping that I do not turn into some sort of pansy getting this nose ring. I think that I should be good. I've got a pretty good pain tolerance. However, I do feel as though my friend Zippy has set me up. And there are parts of this experience that she has not quite told me about, and I don't know that she will. I think it's gonna be one of those situations where I'm like, oh my God, the right side of my body's numb, and she's like, oh yeah, that just happens, don't worry about it. Like, I feel like it's gonna be one of those situations. Really excited when I can change out this jewelry, but the cool thing is I can flip it back up into my nose and you can't even tell it was there. Or it can be just like this. Ooh, watching people parallel park. So we weren't allowed to film inside of the room. However, this was kind of the procedure, if you will. You go in, you lay all the way back, and then I guess they are examining the inner nose area for the piercing hole or something like that. So what that really means is that Buddy is in there stabbing the inside of your nose on both sides with toothpicks. He drew a line, I guess, to get this even. We're gonna go with that. When I tell you, he started sticking me in the nose with the toothpicks, I was about to tap out right then. I was like, you know what, I changed my mind. Because it legitly hurt. So then after that, they go in and they pierce. Not gonna lie to you, that was a pretty intense pinch. And then he like wiggled some stuff around, I guess, to get things through. Then he had to put the jewelry on. I'm just incredibly sensitive in my nose region. I didn't know that because I've never had anything poke me inside of my nose before. But apparently, really touchy area because I was to tears. I just thought I would share. Now on to the next adventure. What is our next adventure? Home?
Sounds good.
You guys, we've gotten pierced today. We've done so many amazing things.
We saw snacks. We got snacks.
We got snacks, we saw the Avengers.
I feel like you've listed off a lot of reasons why it's time to go home.
First of all, when you're on a roll, you keep it going.
Now,
Good morning, friends. We're headed to the gym. I'm super excited. I got a kettle grip. This basically turns any weight into a kettlebell, so I've been traveling around with it for the past few months, trying it out, seeing how portable it was, if I minded carrying it around, and I don't. It's actually super handy, so for those of you who travel like I do, or you find yourself in a situation where maybe you don't have a full gym, this is something that's really nice and inexpensive. I want to say it's like $39.99, something like that. I'll include all that in the info box. But it allows you to be able to get versatility out of the equipment that you do have, which I very much like. Woo! When you're working with kettlebells, that stabilization and the way that your muscles have to work differently to really control the weight, it's a whole nother level. Because I am feeling like my arms have got such a good pump right now. Feeling good about myself. And now back to the house. Because I gotta pack. Because I leave today. And I'm acting like, you know, I'm just never gonna leave. And this is what happens. In other news, I cannot wait to tell you what that is. Eek! So many amazing things going on. But I get sidetracked like hell, so let's get the suitcase packed so that we're ready for later, and then we'll come back to that.